Welcome to Silent Hill, Portland. With all the fires happening lately, I felt like I needed to go out and find a priest, but instead, I found Bubbles, Viking food, beautiful skies and flowers, and I eat one of the tastiest fried chicken sandwiches I've ever had in my life. I'm inviting you on a great food and culture adventure of a lifetime, so I hope you'll join me as I explore Portland, Oregon. Guys, welcome to another Food Trekker video. I'm just heading over to Viking Soul Food today to go check out their soul food for Vikings, apparently. So I'm gonna go check that out. In the meantime, we're gonna get a ticket and get on the metro here. Here we are. It's like $2.50 for a 2.5 hour ticket. All right, so here we just press a 2.5 hour ticket, one ticket, pay with card, and there we go. I'm gonna take the Max. That's what they call it here in Portland. Alright, so the reason I'm taking public transportation right now is my motorcycle is having some problems starting. So normally I would have just rode out here on my motorcycle, but it's going to take me like an hour and a half because bike's not starting. So I got to figure that one out. Alright, so we're going to the next stop. Okay, we're off the bus. Now I'm going to Viking Soul Food. Try to cross here without being run over. So Viking Soul Food's like a couple blocks up.
Literally like 15.
Okay. So, oh, that's so cool. We got Bubbles. It's pretty busy in there, so I'm gonna try to find a place at the mask on first. Nice day.
Beautiful.
Finally get to breathe, right? It's so hard. Sam. Yeah.
Our soul food's more like Norwegian style.
Yeah, exactly.
Soul food, yeah.
So I thought it'd be interesting to kind of contrast it.
To like the American style.
I just showcase the different types, you know.
That's awesome.
So
That's
yeah,
awesome.
cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. So basically, it looks like it's a Swedish pork sausage, lingonberries on top, Jarlsberg cheese, mustard, some cabbage. I'm gonna try the first bite and try to get everything on here. Get a little bit of the sweet with the mustard. So yeah, that's a pretty good bite. So I get a meaty, like the sausagey, and it's got like the sweetness, and like a tang to it, and then the mustard kind of balances all that out. It's really good. It's like creamy, a little cheesy. The lingonberry has just the right amount of sweetness to it. It makes it really nice. Viking soul food. Last few bites. All right, now we're on to this house cream cheese wrapped in lefse, which is their type of bread. It's the one with lingonberries. Basically a wrap. They're potato bread, lefse bread with cheese inside. This first bite. It's a little sweet. It's not too sweet. It's got creaminess from the cheese, and the bread is really nice and kind of doughy, really soft. Yeah, really good. And just the cream cheese can like just come out.
I do like how this is astringent agent.
It's kind of juicy.
I think so.
That was a really good meal. On to the next place. I just wanted to say thank you so much.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Everything.
Yeah, it's great. It's
Okay.
great. Yeah, appreciate
Perfect.
it. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll
Yeah.
enjoy your food adventure today.
Thank
Good
you.
one. Yeah.
Thinking of maybe getting some coffee. There's coffee right here. I just want to get a regular coffee and $2.50.
Okay, perfect.
Let's try their coffee out. That's pretty good. It's got a little acidity to it, a little sweetness. Yeah, good coffee. So we're at 23rd and Burnside here. I think I'm gonna have a cocktail. I'm ordering like a mojito. It looks pretty good, so I'm gonna try it out. So I had to order through my phone. Yeah, it was pretty convenient. So I'm at this block party having a little frojito from Ankeny tap. It's kind of like a mojito, but with lime and ice. It's really good. The first taste. Ooh, it's nice. It's got like some lime, got that citrus. It's really good for a hot day like today. It's got some alcohol in it though. Ooh. Ooh. You get a little brain freeze. Wow, that's really good. Look how frosted. It's like scraping off ice from the window of your car on a winter day. Woo. All right, bottoms up. Oh, the lime is frozen. Woo. That was so sour. I'm awake. We're on to screen door. Okay, here we are at the screen door. We ordered a fried chicken sandwich, and that should be coming out pretty soon. I love fried chicken sandwiches, so I'm just gonna check out theirs. I don't think I've had a fried chicken sandwich here before. I have been to this place before, but this is the first time I'll be ordering the fried chicken sandwich. So let's see how it goes. Because of COVID, I'm just going to go ahead and have a beer on the patio. There's a little amber. Got my fried chicken sandwich. Whew. It's a huge, look at the size of my head. Whoa. All right, let's get in on this. Looks like got a lot of coleslaw. I don't really know how I'm gonna attack this, but that's huge. Look how big this is. Look at that. Whoa, pickles, and fried chicken, coleslaw. Oh man, it looks so good. Here we go, first bite. Oh, this is huge. I took a really big bite. It's probably one of the best fried chicken sandwiches I ever had. It's crunchy. It's crunchy and juicy, and the chicken has some good seasoning on it. It's really good. Take a napkin. And all over my hands. I like taking 3 bites. 3 bites of food so far. And a big bite of chicken right here. Pickle. It's so messy. Like, the fries are really good. They're like crunchy, soft inside, a little salty. That was so good. Alright, so we're leaving the screen door. I'm just going to find some public transportation so I can get home. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys taking the time. If you enjoyed what you saw, please hit that like button and please subscribe if you want to check out more videos. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to be making future videos. I'm going to try to travel around the world when I do it. And yeah, let's make this happen, make this channel popular. So if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified, but please subscribe and like and comment if you have anything to say or you want to talk to me or tell me anything. I will respond to comments. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video on Food Trekker.